There were 6 beautiful children, but the youngest was the prettiest of them all. Her skin was as clear and delicate as a rose leaf, and her eyes as blue as the deepest sea. But, like all the others, she had no feet, and her body ended in a fish's tail. All day long, they played in the great halls of the castle or among the living flowers that grew out of the walls. Hello, Radost here, and no, you're not mistaken. I'm not going to tell you a bedtime story. I just wanted to share some of my inspiration for my next drawing, and that's the Little Mermaid. The story has inspired ballets, TV programs, songs, and movies, and to be honest, is one of my all-time favorites. My attempt to create a mermaid portrait turned out to be way more different from the typical ones, and the reason is probably I was seeking for supernatural sea creature. At the beginning, I started to create more humanly look for my mermaid, but then I decided to go out of my comfort zone and chose more nuances of the sea itself. That means a lot of blues and greens, right? Not exactly. I used a lot more than that for my palette. All the colors, of course, are in the description box down below. While you are checking them, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow and continue following my dream. Thank you. As most of our planet is covered by water, it's not so strange there are so many myths around the oceans. Even today, according to National Ocean Service, really small percentage of the ocean is actually explored. I wonder what else is hidden down there. I am sure it's beyond my imagination. But let's go back to my mermaid. To create this look of a hybrid, where some features of an animal appear in a human, I replaced the beautiful hair most mermaids in the stories have with tentacles of an octopus. That actually captured human minds for ages. The idea of half human, half animal. Mermaids are definitely not the only ones. I also tried to capture the sea in her eyes, expressing distrust of a scared animal. Just imagine seeing that creature in the sea. What would you do if you catch a glimpse of that magic? Fantasy art always fascinated me since I was a kid, and I'm planning to make a few more videos about creating some mythical creatures. So please give me some ideas in the comments. What would you like to see? So at the end of the video, I want to thank you so much for watching and for the support. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye!